Noong simula, hindi naging maganda ang treatment ng bagong amo kay Jimmy. Pero pinagtyagaan siyang alagaan ni Jimmy dahil mas nangibabaw ang awa at malasakit niya para sa matanda at ang pangarap na kaginhawahan para sa kanyang naiwang pamilya. Makalipas ang ilang buwan, unti-unti nakaramdam si Jimmy ng pagod at kalungkutan. Lalong nangulila si Jimmy sa kanyang pamilya. Hanggang sa...
Ay, Gladys, pasensya na. Hindi ko kasi pagkikilan ng homesick fish. Hindi ako makakain ng ayos, so hindi ako makatulog. Mas namiss ko pa kayo, pati yung mga kamugay ko.
Ay, nakapit ka na naman pa ng amo mo dyan, mahal.
Bali, hindi naman.
Anak, hindi mo naman kailangan pagtakpan. Alam mo, kung nandiyan lang ako, makakatigas talaga sa akin yan eh. Hindi kita pinalaki para alilain at saktan ng ibang tao.
Ay, okay lang naman ako dito. Tsaka ako, naniniwala ako na may tinatagong kabutihan naman itong amo ko.
Saan? Sa talampakan? Anak, kung pagod ka na, bukas ang pinto. Sa oras na gusto mo umuwi. Miss ko na namin. Sige na na, anak. Umuwi ka na. Dito ka na. Hanggang kailan ka mo magtitigil dyan?
Hanggang dulo. Para sila, para kay Clarice. Lalaban ako sa buhay. Ay, yung ako nandito sa Manila, dyan na kayo ha. Is everything okay? Do you need anything? I am good. I just need some fresh air. Is that your family?
Yes, sir. My mother and my wife. Sir, my children are already asleep. Do you want me to accompany you to your room?
No. I can manage. You go back to them.
Sir?
Spend time with them while you can. Remember this. Family is the most important thing in the world. I am sad that my children cannot take care of me.
Thank you. Yes.
Mula noon, mas tapat at pusong pinaglingkuran at inalagaan ni Jimmy ang kanyang amo hanggang sa tuluyan ng nakuha ni Jimmy ang respeto nito at naging halos mag-ama na ang kanilang turingan. Pagkatapos ng 5 taon, bumalik ka ng Pilipinas. Nakita mo yung mga anak mo na hindi mo nakita noon, Jim?
Yes, ma'am. Kasi nung umalis po ako doon sa Pilipinas, 3 months pregnant yung asawa ko. So, nung nagbakasyon ako, may 5 taon na yung bunso ko.
Totoo ba na 2023 lang kayo kinasal ni Clarice sa simbahan?
Yes, ma'am. Nung long time, ma'am.
At bakit matagal?
Ang sa akin lang kasi naman, inuuna ko yung ma'am. Hindi importante kasi yung kasal sa akin. Inuuna ko lagi yung mga anak ko yun, ma'am.
able to come to your wedding. How was it?
Sir, it was great.
That is nice to know.
Iwan na.
Jimmy,
Yes, sir.
you have been telling me stories about your wife,
Sir.
children, your mother, but never about your father. How come?
You know, sir,
No.
my father died when I was still young.
Pause.
He wasn't the perfect father, but I do miss him so much.
Consider me as your second father. You are family to me. You are my son.
Thank you, sir.
Abba. Call me Abba.
Up. Thank you, Up.
Lock all the doors and windows. Hurry up!
There are the apartments outside. Let's save him. Come on.
But I am old. Just leave me here and save yourself.
No, sir, I will not.
Go, Jimmy.
I will not leave you.
Go.
Keep the same.
They will kill you. They will kill us all.
I will save you.
Save your friend.
Jimmy, how must we let alone your secret about killing a lot of people? Jimmy, please save my father. I'm begging you, please don't let him alone. Jimmy, please. Jimmy, hello?
Hello guys, mga MPK, mag-subscribe na sa second anniversary special ng #MPK livestream YouTube channel. I-click natin yung subscribe yung channel. Pagkatapos, i-click natin ang notifications bell na below. Maraming salamat po mga ka-MPK.